Green Spring Gardens, in the heart of Alexandria. A wonderful flower oasis with all kinds of restriction signs because this is Fairfax County.
There is ample free parking. I appreciate that. I really do.
These 1970s Art Deco nature Fairfax County buildings really intrigue me. Let's take a look inside and check it out. Having grown up in Fairfax County in the 80s and 90s, I'm quite fond of these 1970s era nature centers. They remind me of simpler times, of times before I knew what a terrible thing inflation was. Thank you, government spending. You've stolen all our futures. These nature photographs are taken by local photographers, and they're for sale. Green Spring Gardens gets a commission. I love capitalism. Inside the nature center is the glass house. It's a great place to check out the epiphytes. Every glass house is going to have cactuses, or cacti. Yeah, that's plural. And when I highlight them, let's play Western music. Western music. Western music is great when you're looking at cacti, or cactuses, whatever. This flower is pretty. Be sure to check out this wonderful historic house. And while you're at it, talk up the staff. They're cool, they're amazing. They love this place as much as anybody because it's very lovable. And the highlight of all my films is meeting and talking with people. I know I'm speaking like a robot. Okay. This is the Moss House, a two-story Georgian-style house built by John Moss. Eventually, he sold it, and the Nat family sold it to another family to pay off gambling debts. Gotta love those dice. And the Nat family sold it to the county to pay off the ridiculous tax rate of high earners in Fairfax County. Be sure to sign the guest book. Aldous Huxley once stayed here. If you're over 18 and don't know who Aldous Huxley is, I don't like you. George Washington slept here. He slept in a lot of places, especially during the Revolutionary War. I suppose you could say he got around.